Today, I would like to introduce a new hunter safety system, SENFU Prusian Reflective Safety Rope. It can protect our lives at critical moments, so let's have a look. First of all, the entire SENFU Prusian safety rope is made of reflective material. When you enter the forest at night, your whole rope could be illuminated as long as a little light there. Secondly, make sure that your Prusian safety rope is intact. When you climb up the tree rag, there will be no danger of falling to the ground whenever you fall, just like this. We have developed and produced a variety of Prusian safety rope products with reference to different customer requirements. You can choose suitable products according to your actual needs. Let SENFU Prusian Reflective Safety Rope escort your life safety.